Technological advances have always presented both opportunities and challenges in education. Recent advances have provided students with significant learning using their smartphones for authentic assignments and assessments, as well as lab experiences via virtual reality. Many faculty have seen how these tools can enhance their teaching and learning for students. For many, the use of ChatGPT has struck fear into instructors as they examine their course design to respond to the challenges this tool presents. This course will provide participants with the opportunity to learn more about the AI tools as educational resources and opportunities. We will discuss the ethical and privacy concerns. Finally, we examine how to redesign your courses and implement a pedagogy that can take advantage of the strengths ChatGPT and other AI tools bring as we face the future of the classroom and the workplace.